Today I'm going to give you 21 ways you can make a long-distance relationship work. And after the 21 ways, I'll share 10 benefits of a long-distance relationship and how you can ensure your relationship is everything you and your partner want it to be, and so much more. So let's begin with number 1. Set clear and realistic expectations. Establish what each of you expects from the relationship and what you are willing to do to make it work. Communicate regularly. Regular communication is key in any relationship, but even more so in a long-distance relationship. Schedule regular video calls, phone calls, or text messages. Plan visits. Having a set plan to visit each other gives you both something to look forward to and can help you maintain a sense of closeness. Be creative with communication. Experiment with different forms of communication, such as writing letters, sending care packages, and sharing pictures and videos. Make time for each other. Set aside dedicated time for each other, whether it's for a video call or a virtual date. Trust each other. Trust is a crucial component of any relationship, and long-distance relationships require even more trust. Show appreciation. Express gratitude and appreciation for your partner and the sacrifices they make to keep the relationship going. Maintain separate lives. It's important to maintain your own life and interests, as well as supporting your partner in doing the same. Stay organized. Use calendars, schedules, and reminders to help you keep track of important dates, appointments, and plans. Keep the romance alive. Find ways to be romantic, whether it's sending flowers or love notes, or planning romantic virtual dates. Take advantage of technology. Use technology to your advantage by sharing special moments, sending sweet messages, or playing online games together. Be patient. Long-distance relationships require patience and understanding. Be patient with each other and give each other the time and space you need. Seek support. Having a support system of friends, family, or a support group can help you stay strong and positive in your relationship. Stay healthy. Taking care of your physical and emotional well-being can help keep you strong and resilient in your relationship. Be flexible. Be open to making changes and adaptations as your relationship evolves. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate milestones and special moments, such as anniversaries or birthdays, to keep the relationship feeling fresh and meaningful. Keep your sense of humor. Don't be afraid to have fun and make light of the challenges that come with a long-distance relationship. Be honest. Be honest and open with your partner about your feelings, thoughts, and concerns. Set boundaries. Set boundaries that work for both of you, such as no talking about exes or not calling at certain times. Seek professional help. If necessary, seek the help of a therapist or counselor to work through any issues or challenges in your relationship. Focus on the positive. Focus on the positives of your relationship, such as the love and connection you share and the growth and experience you are gaining from it. Yes, long-distance relationships do carry many benefits. Just 10 of the benefits of a long-distance relationship are: increased independence. Being apart from each other can help both partners become more independent and self-sufficient. Opportunity for personal growth. Being in a long-distance relationship can provide an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Stronger communication skills. Long-distance relationships require strong communication skills, which can benefit both partners in future relationships. Greater appreciation for each other. Being apart from each other can increase appreciation and gratitude for the time spent together. Opportunities for adventure. Long-distance relationships can provide opportunities for solo travel and personal adventure, leading to increased self-confidence and a sense of independence. Time to focus on other priorities. Being in a long-distance relationship can provide the space and time needed to focus on career, personal, and other life goals. Building a deeper emotional connection. Regular communication and meaningful conversations can help build a deeper emotional connection and stronger bond between partners. Increased creativity and innovation. Long-distance relationships require creative and innovative approaches to staying connected and making the relationship work, which can lead to increased creativity in other aspects of life. Stronger commitment. Being in a long-distance relationship requires a strong commitment from both partners, which can lead to a more committed and secure relationship. A unique and meaningful experience. Being in a long-distance relationship provides a unique and meaningful experience that can bring partners closer together and create lasting memories. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel to access more relationship tips. I wish you the very best in your long-distance relationship. Thank you.